Hi guys, welcome to TechTube channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can change your iPhone password. So let's go to settings, then scroll down and you will find Face ID and passcode. Then enter your passcode. After that, scroll down and you will find change passcode. You can see here, right? Just click on this and enter your old passcode. Now enter your new passcode. After giving passcode, hold for some seconds, it will process. Okay, password has changed. So guys, this is how you can change iPhone password or passcode. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.